First, I want to thank God for giving me this opportunity to be here in front of you today. And of course, I will take this chance to give credit and gratitude to the English department and the school, Zarzal University, for holding the first ever short film festival. And before I proceed, I would like to tell you a short story how I come up on this stage. When I was in my first year, my teacher in English, Miss Aldave, gave us a project about a man in the story Tuesdays with Maury. I still remember now. But in the contrary, they gave me when we were familiar on how to make a short flick. We failed. But it didn't stop me from doing better. It didn't serve as a stumbling block for me to pursue and to prove more about myself. So today, I am here in front of you as an example that failure it doesn't mean an end. It's like sandpaper. It's rough, it's painful, but in the end, you will end up glowing, shiny, and polished. Again, congratulations everyone. Have a pleasant afternoon.